Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a delicious coconut egg fried rice recipe. So let's get right into the video. And in a pot I'm going to add a jar of water, and I'm going to add some chicken seasoning to it because I'm not using chicken stock. But if you have chicken stock, you can also use that as well. So I'm going to add freshly homemade coconut milk, some salt, and I'm going to stir this, cover and allow to boil for a while. And after that, I will add my washed basmati rice. So I'm using basmati rice for this recipe, and we're going to be doing a lot of stir frying. So I'm just going to stir this, cover it up and let it cook. And my basmati rice is cooked. Guys, you can see how my basmati rice looks already. So I'm going to turn off the heat and cover this, set it aside until when we're ready to use it. So let's get right into making our scrambled eggs, because we're going to be using scrambled eggs as well. I'm going to add a little oil, and then I will add my eggs. So I'm using 3 eggs, and I seasoned it with some chicken seasoning as well. And I'm just going to let it scramble, or I will scramble it myself, either way, but one of which though. But I'm just going to scramble these eggs until it is ready, and when it's ready I'm going to set that aside, and then we can continue with the video. Scrambled egg is ready, and we're going to transfer this into a clean bowl and set aside while we get ready to make our fried rice sauce. So let's get into making our fried rice sauce. We're going to add some vegetable oil in a clean pan, and we would saute some garlic and also saute some chopped onion, and I will do this for about a few seconds, really not that long, but a few seconds. So after that I'm going to be adding my chopped carrots, and I'm going to fry this for a bit because I really do not like my carrot being so extra crunchy, so I want it to be a little less crunchy than usual. So yeah, I'm going to fry this for a while, and after that I will be adding my scotch bonnet pepper into the pan to give an extra spice. So after that I'm going to add my frozen bell pepper. I'm going to be adding my frozen yellow bell pepper and frozen red bell pepper as well. The first one I added was the green pepper. Now I'm adding my kidney bean into it, and I'm going to stir this and let this fry for a bit. So after that I'm going to add some chopped fried liver and some fried snail. Guys, I'm using snail for my fried rice, so I'm still going to add now some chopped spring onion into my sauce, and I'm going to stir and stir and stir for a while. And after that I will add some seasoning to the sauce and stir as well. So guys, I'm still stirring. So now I'm going to add my scrambled eggs, and I will stir fry. Allow this to stir fry for a bit. We're going to stir fry, and now we are adding our dark soy sauce to the sauce. So guys, it's actually a sauce as well. So yes, and we're going to add some sesame oil. Just drizzle a little bit of sesame oil to the sauce as well. I love sesame oil, guys. It's very healthy and it's a must-have in every kitchen. So I'm just going to stir this before we add our already cooked basmati rice, and we're going to stir fry, and stir to combine to make sure that all the ingredients are properly incorporated into our delicious coconut fried rice. So I'm just going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes, and I'm still looking at my fried rice. I think it needs an extra sesame oil, so I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil to it again, just to give it an extra shine and a little bit of extra taste to it. So I'm just drizzling a little bit of sesame oil to it. I'm going to continue stir frying, and guys, our coconut egg fried rice is ready. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking to my channel, and if there are recipes you'd like me to share, please leave a comment down below. Oh guys, I forgot to add, I added this delicious milk grilled chicken to the fried rice, and I'm going to share in the recipe very soon. Bye guys.